Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button, and check out the latest product we're reviewing here, Bliiq Hummingbird Bluetooth headphones. These are wireless headphones you can use for sport activities or for just enjoying your music and wandering around. They're waterproof. They have a built-in ambient mode and an ultra-long battery life, quick charge, and get this, a lifetime warranty. You don't see a lot of headphones or earphones with lifetime warranties on them. So we got a chance to review these babies. They're super comfortable. They're some of the most comfortable Bluetooth headphones that I've found. They go over the ear. The volume up, volume down, power on, charging unit on it works really well. It's a really great, comfortable set of headphones. So I was really impressed with them from that aspect. It's got good sound, a nice well balance of sound between your high, mid, and lows. And I think it's going to give you a nice, good soundscape of sound that's going to be well for you. You can wear them comfortably all day long. They are very comfortable. I got to tell you that if you've ever tried out Bluetooth headphones, sometimes they can feel kind of gaudy. They can feel like they're going to fall off the ear all the time. These are very comfortable. It's got a built-in ambient mode, and you just switch to ambient mode, reconnect with teammates, trainers, and other people barrier-free without having to take off your headphones. So you can listen to the world around you without cutting you off, which is good because sometimes there are safety things where maybe if you're riding your bike down the road, listening to your music or whatever, and you want to hear the sounds of cars around you, honks, that sort of thing, that's very important to take and have. Ultra long battery life and quick charge. It can support up to 14.5 hours of playing time, and it quick charges up to 1 hour of playback in just a 10-minute charge. So, if you find it dead, you can get it quickly charged up and away you go. Sweat resistant, so it's water resistant with nanotechnology coating to prevent damage from sweat, daily use, training, and accidents that are no longer limitations for you. Pretty impressed with it that way. It's very comfortable. I forgot I had them on. It goes around the back of your neck really well. I really liked them. And also, lifetime warranty. That really stands something in and of itself. I don't see a lot of lifetime warranties on Bluetooth headphones. So you've got that guarantee as well. You can go to the link on the Chris Voss Show or find them on amzn.to or see the link on this video to take and order yourself up a set. I highly recommend them. Be sure to check them out.